In this video, I'll show you how to scan to your PC computer using a HP DeskJet 4220E printer. The first thing you need to do is get the printer into Wi-Fi pairing mode. So this button should be flashing blue. If it's not, press the X button and the Wi-Fi button at the same time. Hold them in for a few seconds until the power button on the right begins to flash and the Wi-Fi button also begins to flash. Then you're going to come over to your PC and at the bottom search for Microsoft Store. Then at the search bar we're going to type HP Smart. This is the official HP app. Go ahead and download and open it. We'll be using this app to scan. Once that loads, you'll get this pop-up here asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Click yes. And then here I'm going to decline the optional data because why have your information sent if you don't need to? Then HP Smart will ask for access to your precise location. You need to click on yes. And that's going to take you to the home screen of the app. So if you haven't already, you need to create a HP account in order to scan. It doesn't take long. Once you've done that, click Add Printer at the top. That's then going to begin to search for your printer. So here we can see it found it, the HP DeskJet 4200 series. It should say Setup below it. Click on it. And then now in the bottom, click Continue. Then that's going to begin the Wi-Fi setup. Here it will ask for permission to just take the Wi-Fi password and enter it. So if you're happy with that, press Continue. But if not, press No Thanks, and then you just need to enter your password in manually. You'll then get this pop-up telling you that you need to press the flashing information button on your printer's control panel. So here it is, just press it once, and then that screen will automatically update and finish the Wi-Fi setup. You should then get the confirmation that the printer is connected to the Wi-Fi with this check mark. Go ahead and click on Continue at the bottom. And then it's going to take you back to the home screen of the app, and your printer will appear in the middle and you'll be able to see the ink levels. So now to scan, simply click on this purple scan button from the home menu. That's going to open up your scan settings. So over on the right, you can change the source. So this printer has an automatic document feeder and a scanner glass. I'll show you how to use the glass first. You can change what you're scanning, so if it's a photo document. And then you can also change the output if you want the scan to be in color or not. Then finally, you can change the resolution. So the higher the DPI, the better quality of scan you will get. However, it's going to take a lot longer if you choose 1200 DPI. Now lift the lid for the printer to access the scanner glass. Then take the page that you want to scan and place it face down on the glass like this. Then in the top left here, there will be an arrow. So just press the page towards that to align it with the printer's scanner, and then go ahead and close the lid. If you come back to your PC in the bottom right, click on the blue scan button, and that's going to begin to scan your page. Once it's finished, you'll get a preview of how it turned out. And if you come and click on these three dots, you can edit some things. So you can crop it here using the corners. You can flip the scan as well. And then over on the right, you have some filters as well. So you can change the brightness, saturation, add some text. Once you're happy with your edits, press done in the bottom right. And then to save it, come to the bottom and click on save just here. And you can rename the file to make it easier to find. You can also change the file type. So click save, and that will open up the save as on your computer, and then just click save. And now we get the confirmation that the scan has been saved. So if you had multiple pages like this and you didn't want to scan them one by one, you would use the printer's automatic document feeder just here. So you have these two tabs. To fit your A4 size paper, just press them the whole way across. Then take your pages and get them aligned, and then place them face up and simply glide them in between these two white tabs. Once they're inserted, press the two tabs so that they sit nice and tight against the paper so it doesn't move when it's being scanned. Now finally, if you come back to your PC, we'll exit out of that first scan and then change the source of the scan to document feeder, and then just come down to the bottom right and click on scan. So when you're scanning using the automatic document feeder, you'll see each page being brought into the printer one by one, and then you will see them come out the bottom with the next page being brought in. So once the scan is complete, you can come to the left and click on each scan to see how it turned out, and then you can make the same edits. You can also click and drag on an individual page if you wanted to change the order of it. And then finally, to save, just come to the bottom once again, click save, either rename it or change the file type and confirm the save. So that's pretty much how to scan to your PC using the HP DeskJet 4220E printer.